My monkey book. Here's my book about monkeys. Monkeys like to work. Monkeys can do the ironing. These monkeys are good friends. Monkeys go to the washroom like us. Monkeys like to take baths. Monkeys can dance. Monkeys like to eat fruit. Monkeys can play music. Monkeys are helpful. Monkeys don't just swing through trees. Monkeys sometimes steal. A monkey can skateboard. A monkey can cook a delicious meal. A monkey loves to sleep. A monkey likes to go shopping. A monkey can tie their own shoes. A monkey sometimes cries. Bye-bye.